Synology HDMI display resolution 1920 by 1080. About this item. Smallest HD projector, Elephas mini projector is designed with 2024 new upgraded technology, comparable to the size of a smartphone. You can easily hold it in your hand. This HD projector compatible with the iOS, Android, Windows. Projector with tripod. The portable projector includes a mini stand, portable power station support. Enjoy your leisure life anytime. It's very convenient to use the projector indoors or outdoors. Portable power station not included. Projector with the latest technology. The smart projector using Germany's LED projection technology, 1080p HD support. Equipped with German emerald glass lens, 24-bit true color, more than 16.77 million colors support, 200 inches huge screen, provide detailed images for indoor and outdoor entertainment. Mini projector use the efficient heat dissipation system, which greatly reduces fan noise. With built-in hi-fi speaker, provide excellent sound quality without